When I prepare a meal for my family or for friends, with every single dice, with every single ingredient, I put intention, and I am using food as medicine. I am working so deeply to nourish and heal my friends and family. And I think that when you have a meal that has been prepared intentionally, it fills you up in a different way. We want to entice. We want to create something that you're proud of. We want to create magic in your kitchen. There's this sort of cycle, this circle of simplicity that exists where you put intention to things, but you don't make it too difficult on yourself, and you take it easy and you take it slow. I think that's important. I live my life where really putting intention in playing the long game, for making an investment for my future and planting the seeds that maybe they won't grow next year, but they'll grow and flower and fruit in a few years' time, just like a blackberry. You have to also remember that you have to take time to add nutrients to the soil, just like you have to take time to nurture those relationships that you have. It's all just balance. And when you pass on kindness, or you pass on a good meal, or you even pass on seeds, like I think that that cycle is just really important to keep going, because I think that's how the world becomes a better place and a kinder place. And I think that that's really what we're all wanting. We all want to be in this community with each other where we can have a loving environment, a safe environment. And I think that definitely sharing that with people is important. Once you have a Primeaux knife in your kitchen, the energy is palpable, and you are not going to want to stop cooking. It's just magical. And if you take a moment for yourself, and instead of ordering out or going to pick up food, if you went to the farmer's market, just picked out all your favorite ingredients, and you grab a Primeaux knife, the second that you slice into that carrot, that gratification echoes through your body, and it is a different type of gratification, because you have taken a moment for yourself, you've taken a moment for your family, and that meal is going to heal and nourish them. And in that moment, you have played a role in creating a more intentional world.